Use of the. The definite article the is used to indicate a particular person's or things. Look at the boy who is reading a book. I want wings of fire. The book is out of print. Before a noun made definite by the addition of a phrase or clause. The girl with the pink sari is beautiful. The boy who came here is my friend. Before a singular noun meant to represent a whole class. The dog is a faithful animal. The cow is a useful animal. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Before an uncountable noun to particularize it. The wisdom of Iswarchandra made him familiar as Vidyasagar. The silver of the ring is very bright. Before a name of a thing which only one exists in nature. The sun shines in the sky. The earth moves round the sun. Look at the moon. Before a noun denoting nation or race. The Indians celebrate a diverse and vibrant culture. The Americans are known for their love of freedom and democracy. Before a name of road, but not before a name of street or avenue. I live on the King's Road. The store is located on the Old Kent Road. The office is on Maple Avenue. He lives on Elm Street. Before some nouns to indicate profession. The doctor will see you now. He joined the bar. He joined the church. Before the name of a musical instrument when one plays it. Otherwise not. He plays the flute. She plays the piano beautifully. Before ordinal numbers dot, first, 2nd, 3rd. Dot 24th, 25th, etc. Who is the first boy? The 26th January is our Republic Day. The 15th August is our Independence Day. 15th August is our Independence Day. Before adjectives to denote a particular part of a thing. I like the yellow of an egg. He entered the thick of the forest. Before an adjective to represent a whole class of persons. The rich are not always happy. The poor are always honest. Before the adjectives in superlative degree and the words in the superlative sense. He is the best boy in the class. He is the singer of the day. He is the man of the match. Before comparatives as adverbs. The more we have, the more we want. Before the names of countries which are collectively formed. The USA, the United States of America. The UK, the United Kingdom. But not before India, England, America. A general rule: a proper noun should not have any article before it. The following take the before them as exceptions. The names of holy books, newspapers, ships, trains, aeroplanes, spacecraft, famous buildings, rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges, groups of islands, deserts and directions. Holy books, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana. Of newspapers, the Statesman, the Anand-o-Bajar. Of ships, the Titanic, the M.V. Akbar. Of trains, the Bombay Mail, the Rajdhani Express. Names of aeroplanes, the Dakota, the Boeing. Of spacecraft, the Skylabs, the Aryabhatta. Names of famous buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Writers' Buildings, the Victoria Memorial. Names of rivers, the Ganga, the Jamuna, the Danube. Names of seas, the Arabian Sea, the Mediterranean Sea. Of oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Names of gulfs, the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal. Of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Vindhyas. Of groups of islands, the Andamans, the West Indies, the Hebrides. Names of desert, the Sahara, the Thar, the Gobi. Names of directions, go to the north and then turn to the south. Note 1. That is not placed before the names of single mountains, single islands, nor before the names of capes, nor before the names of lakes. Mount Abu, Mount Everest, Vesuvius. Ceylon, Sicily, Java. Cape Comorin, Cape of Good Hope. Lake Chilka, Lake Sambhar. Note 2. If a book is called after its author, the article is not used. Homer's Iliad, Valmiki's Ramayana. I have read Shakespeare is equal to Shakespeare's books. Thanks for watching this video.